The Vice President of Uganda, His Excellency Edward Sekandi, and the Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Rebecca Kadaga, attending one of the Ebony's performances at Theatre La Bonita.
Gentlemen, we have in our midst the Vice President of the Republic of Uganda, Chairman, the Right Honorable Edward Sekandi. Edward Sekandi is in our midst. The Vice President of the Republic of Uganda, the Right Honorable Edward Sekandi. Yes, tumwandirize namanyi, ladies and gentlemen. Omugalo wa Vice President of Uganda, the Right Honorable Edward Sekandi. You're very welcome. Very welcome, sir. Tukwaniriza nnyo kumuzannyo gwa Ebony's Amani Gomhabati. You're very welcome, sir. The Right Honorable Edward Sekandi, Vice President of Uganda. Tukwaniriza nnyo sebo. Okay, chikumide.
Ogumu ku muzannyo gw'aba Ebony's waggulu waawo Right Honorable Rebecca Kadaga, Speaker wa Parliament.
The Ebony's is one of the most successful entertainment groups in Uganda, which has survived through ages due to its focus on social issues which touch its audience in one form or another. They have produced a number of plays and songs which mirror the kind of society we live in. I therefore invite everyone to join me to congratulate the Ebony's for this accomplishment. I have been intrigued by your new production, Amani Gomhabati. It is now my pleasure and honor to officially launch Amani Gomhabati. It should not only be played in Uganda, please spread throughout East Africa, Africa, and beyond. For God and my country.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm with His Excellency the Vice President of Uganda, the Right Honorable Edward Kiwanuka Sekandi. How did you find the production, Amani Gomhabati?
It's quite entertaining. I've liked it. I've learned a number of things from it, and I believe others have also learned. So it's not only to entertain, but also it's something that teaches us many things to do, how to improve ourselves, and as I've said, to improve our families, how to counsel our children and so forth.
Would you come back and watch it?
Very much so, I do.
Thank you very much. Encourage all Ugandans to come and watch the Ebony's production of Amani Gomhabati.
I do. What I've seen, I encourage others to come also to share what I've shared today.
Njagala okusiima entegeka oba nakiyita design plot y'omuzannyo guno kubanga okutuusa ku nkomerero it was very interesting naye ng'ate real life bino bibaawo nekikoze bulungi okubeerawo nga mulonkinga omuzannyo gwammwe omupya ndooza nja kufuukira ddala fani wa bulijjo kati nja kufuukira ddala fani wa bulijjo tujja kukumbulira ennaku ze muzannya bwe banyumwe bali eddala bwe bali kuteeka